Vibrantly colored chair, perfect size for your wee one, 14.5 x 11 x 23.5 tall. Folds compactly into its own carry bag for easy transport and storage. Safety lock prevents accidental closings. Features cross-woven polyester that holds up to 100 pounds. Durable ABS plastic textured feet and a steel frame for extra durability and built for rugged play. Top reviews from the United States. Grandkids loved them. The perfect size for the grandsons, age 4. Easy to fold and unfold, and it comes with its own bag. Super lightweight for them to carry around, and it has a handle on the bag. My grandsons are slender, so keep that in mind. If your child is on the larger side, or older than about 6, this chair might be a little too small.